The Truth Hunter, Season 1, Episode 3, The Stage Before Dependency Court, What Really Happens First. Dependency court does not begin inside the courtroom. It begins the moment DCF makes first contact with a family. Before any judge sees a file, before any attorney is appointed, and before any official case exists, DCF operates in a hidden stage that most parents never understand. This episode exposes that stage and explains how families lose ground long before dependency court even opens. The first contact DCF arrives through a knock on the door, a phone call, or a visit to a school. Families often believe they're already in a court case, but they are not. This is the pre-court phase. During this stage, DCF begins gathering information. They speak with neighbors, teachers, hospitals, and anyone connected to the family. They claim they are just checking, but they are already building a narrative. No case has been filed, no judge is involved, no attorney is assigned. Parents are alone, and DCF knows it too. The family court phase. Before anything becomes dependency court, DCF operates through family court. This is where they file petitions, affidavits, and requests. These requests may include supervised visits, drug tests, home inspections, or mandatory services. None of this is dependency court. This is the setup phase where DCF positions themselves and prepares their case. Parents often believe they are already in the official court process, but they are still in the stage where DCF is gathering power and building leverage. How DCF builds their case. During this early stage, DCF constructs the story they plan to present later. They collect statements, gather reports, speak with professionals, and shape the narrative. All of this happens before the parent has any legal representation or any chance to respond. By the time dependency court officially begins, DCF has already spent weeks or months preparing their version of events. The attorney gap. Parents do not receive an attorney until dependency court is formally filed. This means that during the family court phase, parents are unrepresented. DCF uses this time to pressure families into compliance. Parents often do not know what is voluntary, what is mandatory, or what DCF cannot legally require without a judge's approval. This gap is one of the most damaging parts of the system. Families walk into dependency court already behind because the real battles started long before they had any legal support. Why this stage matters. What happens before dependency court determines what happens inside dependency court. Families lose cases early because they do not understand their rights. They do not know DCF is building a case, and they do not realize family court is the foundation of the dependency court process. This hidden stage is where the outcome is often shaped. This is the part parents never get told about. Closing dependency court begins long before the courtroom doors open. It begins at first contact with DCF. Episode 3 exposes the stage that is rarely explained, the stage where families lose ground without knowing they're already in a fight. Episode 4 will continue